It's a 2025 Acura MDX. Inspired by your high standards, this is one of the world's smartest SUVs. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, voice-activated climate controls, front and rear parking sensors, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Acura believes if there is a better way, take it. That philosophy shines through in this vehicle. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.